I've said this before already, but as a quick repeat, it is the largest financial market. The FX market, the Forex market is the largest financial market with about $5 trillion traded a day. In comparison, the New York Stock Exchange has about $22.5 billion traded a day, right? So you compare 5 trillion to 22.5 billion, it dwarfs a lot of the markets. Even the markets put together, the FX market dwarfs all that. And because of this, $5 trillion market, no one person or entity can influence the market, right? Or it's actually really hard for one person to influence the market, which means that if you're trading in the stock market, someone buying $1 million worth of stock could push that stock price a lot higher, or if they're selling it, push that stock price a lot lower. However, in the FX market, if you were to sell $1 million US, that's not going to make a big dent into the price of the US dollar. That's very unlikely to cause any significant price changes in the US dollar. So it being the largest financial market is very important. That liquidity of $5 trillion a day also gives you the ability to enter and exit out of trades whenever you choose.